You have to hear me when I say this. Success starts here. You see, over time, we're going to reveal the vision of what we are doing with Kingdom Day Traders. And all I can say to you is, man, it's going to be absolutely fire. We intend on impacting so many lives, it's going to be crazy. Hey, team, how you guys doing on this Sunday afternoon or Sunday morning, depending on where you are in the world? I hope you guys are having a good weekend thus far. I hope that you enjoyed your back testing. I hope that you've set yourself up good for the week. But before we get into the week, I thought I'll just drop a quick video on a principle that will help everyone succeed. It is said, and I've heard this quote, it is said that discipline is the bridge between your goals and actually accomplishing them. See, it's one thing to have goals, it's one thing to desire things, but if you want to actually accomplish them, you got to be disciplined. Right now, for those of you who don't know, I'm also a minister as well, and if I have to throw something in there from the word says that those who love discipline love knowledge. Those who love, catch that, those who love discipline love knowledge. So it's not, you cannot say that you're a person who love knowledge and just love finding out new things if you don't actually love discipline either. You see, discipline is a schoolmaster, it's a teacher, it is an educator, and it sets you up to be successful. You have to listen to me now. Success starts here. Success starts with discipline. This is how you get anywhere in life, right? You have to discipline yourself, put yourself under a set of rules that you have put in place to help you succeed. Discipline is way more important than motivation. Don't get me wrong, we all need motivation. We all need a little oomph. We all need a little bit of a push. But really, the way we get to what we want to do is putting ourselves under a set of rules, i.e., disciplining ourselves. It is said that if you want to become a bodybuilder at the top flight, which is part of the International Federation of Bodybuilding, most people who get there, right, they've trained and they've put themselves into training for a minimum of 10 years. And after a minimum of 10 years, when they finally get at that top flight, they only get into being just about average. Can you imagine that after 10 years of working absolutely hard, all you've succeeded in doing is making yourself average? That's insane. I will encourage you that training is not going to take that long. It should not take that long. However, this is a key principle to success. If you really wanted that much, you would put in the hours. It is said at this point, people don't eat according to taste. They don't eat according to flavor. They eat according to function, which means bodybuilders are eating just cooked chicken. They take in protein. They're eating according to function. So they've set themselves up with the rules of discipline that help them achieve their goals that are based on their function, not on how they feel, not on what they want. Also, it is said that if you devote 10,000 hours to anything, you will automatically become an expert on it. Now, I know most people hear that and they think, but I've given more than 10,000 hours to this. I've given more than 10,000 hours to that. But let me just give you the reality of that calculation. It takes 10,000 hours is actually 421 days of 24-hour days. So unless we're talking about YouTube or Netflix, then I think most of us have not yet committed 10,000 hours. Obviously, there's a scale, and you don't have to be an expert in things to be good at it, right? There's a scale of understanding, a scale of knowledge, and perhaps somewhere along 5,000 hours you become good. Perhaps for someone else at 3,000 hours you become good. However, if you have not devoted enough time to anything, there should not be an expectation that you will succeed. You see, here at Kingdom Day Traders community, what we are trying to do is achieve a holistic approach to becoming better at the things that we are putting out. And that includes our M3 strategy, which includes attacking your mindset, right? Attacking the principles of multiplication and attacking the principles of management. You see, if we can cover all three of these areas through the process of discipline, then we are guaranteed success. Remember now that the bridge between your goals that you have set and the dreams that you have and actually achieving them is the principle of discipline. So what do you need to do? What do you need to do going forward? Well, you need to set up a set of rules for yourself that says, this is what I'm going to do, this is how I'm going to do it, this is the time I'm going to devote for it. And after you've given enough time to it, hear me now. Success starts here. This is where success begins, at the principles and the process of discipline. If you can put yourself under discipline for a period of time, you are guaranteed a measure of success. Now, don't get me wrong, everyone's success levels are going to be different, right? I was not one of the brightest students in school. I remember that oftentimes for me to achieve the same result as others, I had to put on average, and I did a calculation once, put on average in 3 hours more for every hour that they put in to get to that level. However, with understanding my composition and with understanding what I need to do, I was able to achieve the level of others and even excel beyond them, because I understood for me hard work was important. I understood for me discipline was important. So you can achieve that which others have achieved by understanding your composition. If YouTube or Netflix or distractions are your problem, put yourself under the discipline of separating from those things so that you can have the success. Listen, we are not talking about aimless things here. We are talking about your life. We're talking about your future. And I want to ask you today, what would you give for that? Because truth be told, it's not going to cost you more than a commitment, right? You got to work hard and commit with your money, commit with your mind, commit with all your being, but that's the cost. Now, for some of us that might be too much, but for those who take this on, congratulations. You've now started the process of success. You've now started on the journey to your goals and your dreams. And sooner or later, it's going to turn in your favor. Sooner or later, it will be that way. Listen, I want to tell someone today, it won't always be like this, as the song says. But sooner or later, it will turn in your favor. The way you get there, and I repeat it consistently in this video, is through the process of discipline. So, someone hearing me today, take out a pen, take out a paper, and say, you know what, these are the things I'm going to put in place so that I can achieve my goals. I want to encourage you, look, get yourself a vision board and look at it and just say to yourself, this is where I'm going. I might not be there now, but this is where I'm going. And how I'm going to get there is through the process of discipline. Have a blessed week. Have a blessed afternoon. Enjoy time with your family. See you in the next week. Look, let's just be honest. Mindset, multiplication, and management, for all of us, that was a game changer.